I wanna spend rest of my life with you. Wanna spend rest of my life with you. Wanna spend rest of my life with you. Oh Sanam. You might be wondering why am I singing this song? But यार आजकल everyone is singing this song to their partner. Wanna spend rest of my life with you. मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ तुम्हारे साथ ही मेरी ज़िंदगी बितानी है. लेकिन कैसे? शादी करके या फिर बिना शादी किए? So that's our question today. Let's check out what our Mumbaikas has to say on marriage versus live-in relationship. Come with me. We are doing an opinion like live-in relation and marriage. Things are changing, society is changing. So what do you feel? What do you prefer? Live-in or marriage?
I prefer marriage.
I think live-in is better than marriage because in case you are not you find out that you're not compatible with a person over a time, you don't have to go through the procedure of a divorce. So I think I would prefer live-in.
It's completely depends on individual's thinking. I don't have a problem with it because it's about up to a person how they feel it right or wrong. And if you are okay with it, I feel then you should go for it.
Personally, what's your opinion?
Personally, I feel I have no problem with it.
I think I will go for marriage, not relationship. क्योंकि क्या पता वो किसी और के साथ भी जा सकती है. अगर
मैरिज में भी हो सकता है यार.
नहीं हो तो डिवोर्स करके कंपेंसेशन में ले सकते हो ना कुछ तो.
Living is good because I think you don't have to commit yourself completely to that. And
You're hearing.
she's going to kill me after this.
So even you have some this kind of opinion. What's your take on it?
I prefer marriage obviously because there's a commitment, there's a reason why. Look, like so many people have divorces just like that because they don't have a mutual understanding. And marriage is like you have to force yourself to understand another person. Not like I'm saying you can't do that, but it's just like you're giving another try for your children and stuff like that. Just like so that live-in relationship, I'm gonna see about that later.
Having sex before marriage, is it cool or is like having a sex before marriage, is it something?
I don't find there's anything wrong in that. Guy and girl love each other. They are not just because of sex living under one roof. They are deep. The family is okay. Then good. So something good. India is improving.
I think जो लोग करते हैं, if they're fine with it, then I think we all should be fine with it.
If my opinion,
Yeah.
I will not go for that. And
Traditional,
for the rest of the persons, if they feel like doing it, I don't mind with that.
आपको क्या लगता है अभी शादी के पहले सेक्स करना बराबर है क्या? मतलब शादी के बाद ही करना चाहिए?
बिल्कुल सेक्स शादी के बाद ही करना चाहिए. देखिए मैं आपको इतना बता दूं, जो धर्म है, जो भगवान ने, जो अल्लाह ने हमको बताया है, इस चीज़ के लिए, सेक्स रिलेशनशिप के लिए एक शादी को रखा गया है. जब उस चीज़ को रखा गया है तो भी शादी के बाद आप सेक्स करो ना. कौन मना कर रहा है? आज यूपी बिहार में चला जाओ, 18 साल के बाद शादी हो जा रही है. कम उम्र में शादी करा दो ना. ज़्यादा उसका तैयार वो हो रहा है ना, जवानी वो मार रही है, तो शादी करा दो बच्चों का. बिल्कुल सुन रहे भाई, जो सुन रहा है, मैं तो क्लियर बोल रहा हूँ. अगर उनका सेक्स ज़्यादा वो हो रहा तो शादी करा दो. हाँ,
जो अरेंज में like in love you choose the partner, right? So you take like if something doesn't work out, it's totally your responsibility. I mean, and parents, it's something different.
I don't know, yeah, it's very different. But I obviously prefer love. And it's his choice, like if he doesn't want to be with her, he can go wherever he wants to. Like I don't think now there's so much of forcement from parents. So it's
Love marriage या arranged marriage?
Love.
Love marriage. Auntie, 100% love. Auntie, love marriage.
Love. I had a love marriage.
लव मैरिज में अगर झगड़ा हो गया, ले कर ले शादी. लव मैरिज क्यों किया था? ले कर ले शादी.
ये तेरी पसंद थी, ये तू ही लाया था. That's the thing.
So what do you think? मतलब ऐसे थोड़ा सा मेंटालिटी चेंज करने की जरूरत
Once you will compromise and adjust with your partner. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है तो समझ के ले लो यार. इसमें झगड़ा करने का क्या बात है?
It depends on your family. Now, if your family is modernized, then they will.
What about yours?
Yeah, mine wouldn't mind because at the end of the day, it's my life. If my marriage is affecting my career or my state of mind, if something's not working out, it's better to get out of it than stay into it only because you're married.
Love marriage में, then if things are not working out, sometimes situations changes, sometimes people change after marriage. So like things are not working out.
If you're saying it's my mistake, yes, I agree, it's my mistake. At least I made the mistake. I don't have to blame you tomorrow for it.
So nice, yaar. Even I think the same.
So at least you will say, you can't point a finger at them. You've made the mistake, fine. You can say it was my fault. At least I'm learning from it. I'm not going to blame you tomorrow for spoiling my life.
बस जैसे बहुतों का कहना होता है कि तू मेरे को पहले जैसे ट्रीट नहीं करता है, पहले मेरे लिए ये करता था, अब ये नहीं करता, शादी के बाद बदल गया है, and all this stuff, that kind of things.
वैसे सब लोग तो बदलते ही हैं, वो लड़की भी बदली
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चेंजेस ना, बॉयफ्रेंड के ऊपर इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं होती है, पति के ऊपर होती है। रोल चेंजेस।
I don't, you shouldn't expect so much also, but yeah, all those little expectations you should have and he should fulfill them.
We have been talked to many of the people and हमें जो मिला है this is a mixed reaction। किसी ने कहा है अच्छा है, किसी ने कहा है नहीं, बट स्टिल आई बिलीव कि ऑल द शर्मा जीज, वर्मा जीज और जितने भी हैं अड़ोस पड़ोस के अंकल, आप तनिक जो देश बदल रहा है ना, तो इसको आप भी अपनी सोच बदलने की कोशिश करिएगा। अच्छा नहीं करिएगा तो कम से कम ये जो वीडियो है यहाँ पे इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। सो दिस इज आशुतोष साइनिंग ऑफ, थैंक यू, बाय बाय।